morning. Today standard 6 maths chapter 2. कौन सा है chapter number? Whole numbers. So today we learn exercise 2.1. Example 1, question 1. Write the next three natural numbers after 10,999. Natural numbers starting from 1 to so on. So next three natural numbers यानी 1, 2 and 3. So 10,999 plus 1, तो फर्स्ट आंसर विल बी 11,000. इसमें आप 1 ऐड करोगे तो आपको आंसर ही मिलेगा. प्लस 2 आंसर विल बी 11,001 and plus 3 answer will be 11,002. In the same way, write the three whole numbers occurring just before 10,001. 10,001 से बिफोर के नंबर और वो भी कौन से नंबर? होल नंबर. होल नंबर स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द 0. बट कोई भी नंबर में से हम 0 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे हमें सेम नंबर मिलेगा. आपको क्या चाहिए? थ्री होल नंबर्स अकरिंग जस्ट बिफोर दिस. सो फर्स्ट हम -0 नहीं करेंगे, स्टार्टिंग विथ 1. तो 0 से स्टार्ट होता है होल नंबर. तो और फर्स्ट आंसर विल बी व्हाट? 10,001 minus 1 is equal to 10,000. Minus 2 is equal to 9,999. Means what? 10,001 minus 2 is equal to 9,999. 10,001 minus 3 is equal to 9,998. So these are the before three number यानी just before 10,001 के whole numbers. Now answer 3. Look in your textbook. What are the smallest number? Sorry. Which is the smallest whole number? So the smallest whole number is 0 because whole number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3. So सबसे छोटा whole number कौन सा बनेगा? 0. Now question 4. Again you look in your textbook. How many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? So first we have to write numbers between 32 to 53. So the whole numbers between this and this are 32 से आगे होगा आपका 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51 and 52. So how many numbers? कितने नंबर हुए? तो count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So there are 20 whole numbers between 32 and 53. Now question number 5. Write successor of. What is the meaning of successor? When you add plus 1 into the given number, you have to get successor of the number. So here 4 numbers are given. First number is 24,40,701. So you just add 1 in this number, we will get successor of this number, that is 24,40,702. Next number is 1,199,000. So the successor of this, just add 1 and the answer will be 1,200,000. Third number is 1,09,999. So just add 1 in this number and our answer will be this. And fourth one, 23,45,670. Add 1. So successor of this number will be 23,45,671. So successor में just you add 1 in the given number. Example 6. Write predecessor of. So here predecessor means what? You just subtract 1 from the given number. So here, example A, 94 answer predecessor of 94 will be 94 minus 1 is equal to 93. B, 1000, given number is 1000. So just minus 1 इसको subtract करो, answer will be 99. And in homework you do C and D in your classwork. Now question number 7. Look in your textbook. In each of the following pairs of number, state which whole number is on the left of the other number on the number line, and also write appropriate sign, that is the greater sign and less sign between them. यानी ये नंबरों के बीच में आपको साइन भी लगाना है. So first we understood this example. We learn rules about this. First we learn rule of this number line. What is that? Look in your textbook, page number 30, top of the page. Here two rules are given, that is out of any two whole numbers, यानी कोई भी दो whole number के बीच में, the numbers on the right of the other number, out of any two whole numbers, the numbers on the right of the other number is the greater. Means what? राइट साइड पे जो नंबर है वो लेफ्ट साइड पर के नंबर से वो ग्रेटर बन जाता है. सो द होल नंबर ऑन द लेफ्ट इज द नंबर लाइन इज द स्मॉलर नंबर, वो स्मॉल बन जाता है. यानी नंबर लाइन पे हम जब लेफ्ट साइड पे जाते हैं तो नंबर कैसे बनते हैं? स्मॉलर बनते हैं. और अगर राइट साइड पे जाते हैं तो नंबर बनते हैं greater. Okay, so on the left side number becomes smaller and on the right side numbers become greater. So now look here, example A. Two numbers are given. First is 530, second is 503. So answer will be what? इन दोनों में से बड़ा कौन सा है? 530. 503 is smaller than this. So the whole numbers 503 is on the left of the 530 because this is the greater number than this. So smaller number left side पे होता है तो हमने ये लिखा, देखो 503 is on the left of 530 and यहाँ पर we have to use sign, that is a greater and smaller. So 530 is greater than 503. Now example D. 98,30,450. Second number is 1,23,001. So दोनों में से बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? Naturally crore is the greater than lakh. So this number is greater than this number. So the whole number 98,30,415 is on the left of 1,23,001. So 1,23,001 is greater than 98,30,415. And as homework, example B and C you do in your classwork notebook. Okay, so now look in your textbook, example number 8. Which of the following statements are true? You have to write T, capital T, and which are false, यानी capital F in this given statement. Statement number A. 0 is the smallest natural number. That is the false statement because you know very well about smallest natural number is 1. Now look me. 400 is the predecessor of 399. Predecessor means what? You have to do subtract 1 from the given number. So here, suppose you have to subtract 1 from the 399, you will get 398. 400 is the successor of 399. So our statement D is also false. Now C, 0 is the smallest whole number, that is true. 0 is the smallest whole number because whole numbers are starting from 0. Now D, 600 is the successor of 599, that is this statement is also be true because 599 plus 1 because successor. So 599 plus 1 is equal to 600. Now E, all natural numbers are whole numbers, that is true. But look F, all whole numbers are natural number. No, that is false. All whole numbers are not natural number because collection of whole number is starting from 0. 0 is not a natural number. Okay, so this statement is true. Statement F is false. All whole numbers are natural numbers, that is false statement. Now G, the predecessor of 2-digit number is never a single digit number. That statement is also be false because look here. For example, 2-digit number is 10. Suppose predecessor 2-digit number is 10, and if we want to get predecessor of 10, so we do -1. So we will get 9. 9 is the 1-digit number. So this statement, never a single digit number, is true. Is false. So this statement is false. Now H, 1 is the smallest whole number. That is false. 1 is the smallest natural number. Now I, the natural number 1 has no predecessor. That is true because of 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 and 0 is the whole number. So this statement, the natural number 1 has no predecessor, is true. But the whole number 1 has no predecessor, it is false. Again 1 minus 1 is equal to 0 because predecessor is given, but 0 is the whole number. So this statement is false. Now K, the whole number 13 lies between 11 and 12. That is false because 11 12 के बीच में क्या आता है? 11 और 12 के बीच में 13 नहीं आता. 13 किसके बीच में आता है? 13 is lies between 12 and 14. That is false. So statement K is false. Now L, the whole number 0 has no predecessor. That is true because of 0 minus 1 is equal to -1 because predecessor is given. तो 0 minus 1 करेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? -1. And -1 is not a natural number. It is an integer. So this statement is true. The whole number 0 has no predecessor. Now M, the successor of a 2-digit number is always a 2-digit number. This statement is false because of what? Look here. Suppose 2-digit number is 99. Successor means what? Plus 1 is equal to 100. 100 is the 3-digit number. So this statement is false for this example. The successor of a 2-digit number is always आता नहीं है, is always a 2-digit number. That is the false statement. So our exercise 2.1 is completed.